안녕하세요, 은채입니다. Hi, so lately I've been wanting to get a branded bag and it's very expensive, but I decided that it's time for me to use my hard-earned money to buy one of my own, and I decided that it will be from Chanel. Yep. So I'm very happy and excited to show you guys my new handbag. So this is my new Chanel bag. It is so mini and so cute, right? It's so lame, I'm sorry. It's really very simple to make. It takes about 1 hour of your time and it costs about $3 to $5. It's very cheap compared to all the other branded bags out there in the world. This bag is very useful. You can put lipstick, rings, accessories, necklace inside and give it as a gift to someone you love, like your girlfriend or your best friend and etc. or even your mom. You can use it as a very elegant idea to present your gift, although I don't really know if it's like elegant, but in my opinion, I think I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. It is very easy to make because you only need a few simple materials. Yeah, I think I've already said most of the stuff just now. It was really very lame. I'm sorry if it made you cringe or something, but I was just excited to show you guys my new handbag. So if you guys want to have a mini handbag like mine, feel free to go ahead and do this tutorial yourself. Like, try out this tutorial and I hope you guys will have fun making your own mini Chanel bag. Yeah, therefore let's just get started on the tutorial. Have fun! Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I know that I've mentioned on my Instagram that I was gonna make Mickey Mouse box cut tutorial for the next one, but then because it's still in the editing process, I will only finish it next week and upload it maybe next Friday or earlier, probably latest Friday night, which is, what day is it? 30th March. Okay, so yeah, so because my channel has been a bit dead for about a month, I didn't want to keep it empty, and since I was already done with this editing of this tutorial, I realized that maybe I should just upload this first for you guys wait for the Mickey Mouse box cut video. I'm really sorry that I'm always disappearing like once in a while and not updating for about a month and then come back with maybe a couple of videos and disappear again. But yeah, schedule wise, I was busy with orders, that's why. And for the past month, I pretty much was stressed and a bit depressed as well. So I decided that I want to take a break, and it's my fault for not telling you guys beforehand. But yeah, I know a lot of you are waiting for the Rapunzel box cut, and I think very likely I will do it in April because I've already gotten the materials ready. I'm not sure if it will be a full tutorial yet, but I will try my best to make it a worthy video for you guys to watch. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Do remember to subscribe, like and comment, and also turn on the notifications bell. See you, bye!